video.
Oh, that's like National Geographic.
Love, love, love.
The dock cat in its natural territory.
Yes.
Did it bite the head off yet?
Oh, going for an eye.
Did it pull a fish away? Fuck you.
Oh, he's making some headway now.
Yeah. I don't want to make the video too long. I'll keep it forever to upload it.
It's worth it. It's 780p or 720 or whatever the fuck.
It's gonna take me like 3 hours to upload it.
Up.
Did you get that?
Up. Had to crunch a little bit more.
They got the head.
Yep. Up. Now it's going for the juicy insides.
Grab autofocus.
Yeah. The savage beast in its natural habitat. The 700-pound dock cat catches a 400-pound bluegill. Pure little light.
I think it likes the head the best. I think he wants to share it with you.
Get some close-up action.
Some chopper. Some chopper. Keep dragging it away from the camera.
It's just a delicacy in the dock cat world. Quit dragging it away. And that will conclude our study of the 700-pound dock cat.